This is the up-close footwork of the waltz routine. We'll do lead and follow, both. Just one repetition of each, just so you can see a little bit more close up. A note, I have trouble going high up on my ankles because of some injuries that I have, conditions that I have. So I'm sort of like one of your clients might be, one of your class participants might be. I go into my toes, I try the best I can. But just so you know, go up as high as you can, but any action in those toes is going to be helpful. All right, for the waltz basic step, leader. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I do it a little quicker, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Trying to be as quiet in the feet as possible. From the follower perspective, we just do it backward. We do the back part first. 1, 2, 3, whoop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's a basic box. The turning box. Turning left all the time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then backward again. We'll still be turning the box. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the sway step is simply down and up, forward and backward. And of course, the follower would start with the backward part. Backward and forward. And your options are, you can collect, or you can go up on the toes. And the side sway, same thing. Left first for the leader, and right first for the follower. Down with a knee bend, but nice tall posture. Okay, best of luck.